Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Insight Knowledge Foundation, an initiative by Data Shakti Lab. In this video, we will learn how to install NumPy for data science using Python and Jupyter Notebook, and we will also learn how to verify if it is installed correctly. So, let's get started. Before installing NumPy, we need some basic setup. First, we need Python version 3 or above. Then, we should have an environment like Jupyter Notebook or Anaconda to run our code. Also, basic knowledge of Python is helpful to understand how NumPy works. Now that we have the required setup, let's move on to the installation. There are three common ways to install NumPy. First is using pip tool, which is Python's package manager. We simply run this statement pip install NumPy. Second, inside Jupyter Notebook, we can directly run this statement, that is %pip install NumPy. And third, if we are using Anaconda, we can install it using conda install numpy statement. All methods achieve the same goal, that is installing numpy. Once numpy is installed, we should verify it. We import it using import numpy as np and check the version using print function. If a version number is displayed, it means the installation was successful. But sometimes we may face a few issues. For example, if we get a module not found error, it usually means NumPy is not installed in the correct environment. Or if there is a version issue, we should check Python compatibility. And in Jupyter Notebook, restarting the kernel often resolves kernel issues. So, to summarize, we learned about the prerequisite, installation methods, verification, and common issues related to NumPy installation. Here, these are the references used for this video.